This 4th to the 19th of August, London welcomes you to a unique celebration of art, science, and nature at the Chelsea Physic Garden Workshop 2025, a family-friendly event set in one of the city's oldest and most treasured botanical spaces. Founded in 1673, the Chelsea Physic Garden, nestled beside the Thames in Chelsea, is a living museum of medicinal and exotic plants. The workshop invites families, artists, scientists, educators, and nature lovers for immersive experiences. Amidst this cultural charm, having reliable, safe, and timely transportation makes every visit smoother and more enjoyable. HCD Chauffeur Drive ensures every guest, from VIPs and media crews to families and horticulture enthusiasts, arrives in style, comfort, and perfect time. With our bespoke chauffeur services, every ride is tailored to your needs, handled with professionalism, discretion, and warmth. Our chauffeurs are more than drivers, they're your on-ground support, ensuring everything from flight-monitored airport transfers, hotel pickups, and multi-stop itineraries runs like clockwork. Whether it's a solo visit or a group outing, we adapt to your schedule with precision and care. With a premium fleet ranging from executive saloons to family-friendly MPVs, HCD offers a seamless blend of luxury, comfort, and security, so you can focus on connecting with nature while we take care of the journey. Travel to the Chelsea Physic Garden Workshop 2025 the way it deserves with HCD Chauffeur Drive, luxury ground travel, rooted in reliability. Book now.